pa lang ako, nung una nilabas yung movie. Eh, doon pa lang sinabi na dad ko na, anak, yan na magiging kotse mo pagka binata ka na. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, yan, paano ka magiging kotse yan? Yan, late. So, yan, dumaan.
So I came across Tropang EG while I was browsing through the interwebs. I happened across Kotse.com, which led me to HCP, or Honda Club of the Philippines, which in turn led me to Tropang EG.
I'm the current executive officer of Tropang EG. And what I like sa Tropang EG is napaka-solid ng grupo na lahat ng tao, magkakapatid, nagtutulungan, nag-share ng mga problema, ng mga support.
Being the current group head of Tech, I love the people because I also love the former members of Tech because they accepted me for what I am.
Saka yun, ano talaga, yung samahan talaga yung pinakagustong gusto ko sa lahat.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya. Let's get lost tonight. You could be my Black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary, I'm the boss tonight. And you don't give a fuck what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real shit anymore? Bow in the presence of greatness, cause right now that has forsaken us. You should be honored by my lateness, that I would even show up to this fake shit. So go ahead, go nuts, go ape shit. Especially in my pastel on my babe shit. Act like you can't tell who made this new gospel, homie. Take 6 and take this, haters. That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya.
And now, we have a wonderful surprise for you.
Make the mic fly.
Resurrection.
Make the mic fly.